In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook login problems on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook login page. Carefully enter your email address or phone number and password, making sure that there are no typing mistakes. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code you receive. If you still cannot log in, open a new browser tab or an incognito private window and try signing in again. You can also try a different web browser to see if the issue is browser related. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If your connection is unstable, switch to mobile hotspot or another network and try again. If the problem persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. For that, you want to click on the three dots. Here, find the option of delete browsing data. Select all time, then make sure to check all of these boxes, then click on the delete data option. Now restart your browser and try logging in again. You should also make sure that your browser is updated to the latest version. If you're using Chrome, then click on the three dots, then go to settings. Here click on about Chrome. Now it's going to check for any updates. Now wait for some time until the update is completed. After your browser has been updated, restart it and check. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, temporarily disable it as it can sometimes interfere with Facebook login. Finally, you want to check if Facebook is experiencing any server outage. For that, open a new tab and search for Facebook server status. If there is any server outage, you simply want to wait until they fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.